Good day, welcome to multi design, the continuation of our new D that we're working on. The last episode we created these steps where you can choose to take to enter your houses. So I think for this one we did not pay attention to them. All you just need to do is to delete them. Just delete. Yeah. So let this one go because there is no way a grass can be springing out from the floor. I mean from the steps, which is not possible. So in the next tutorial, they are going to pull upon the details of what we are designing. So this is the 3D so far that we are working on. So for now, we go back to the tidying up of the ground floor because we did the tidying up of the first floor, which is what we have here. So some other things I think it look more neater and more expressible. You can decide not to see all this one by just like hiding it. So if you click here now, you can just toggle and then toggle this. So you have maintained this line. Understand? So it's still maintain the same process and principle. So you can just like toggle like that. That's your choice of what you are doing. But for now, you just leave it this way. So this is how far it goes. So you can crop it. Make sure that you put out the crop so that because by the time you are transferring to paper, it's not going to be giving you confusion. So we're done with this now in this objectiveness. Okay, I think with this now, fine. So the next thing I need to do is that I will now focus my attention primarily and pragmatically on what I call, so I will say, yes. So I will call this one the way it is, then go back to the level 1 where I'm going to do the same justice. I'm going to hide this one because I know what I need for. I can delete them if I want to delete them as well because they are not even what then. So just select all the stance in this view and click delete, let them go. So we want to do the annotation, we now come back afresh and do the most purposeful idea. So I'm going to hide this for the sake of hiding or extend it to the somewhere away. So here you can do the same thing as you did here, the same thing you have done here. So it doesn't affect the everything equally the way it affected the other one. So now let's go on and tidy up this so that we look more lively and well arranged. So I will say components. So bring the components here now like this. So the way you have done the chair to orientate in that part, you can orientate it, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to do the orientation of the chair at this level. Let it stay here. So this part I'm going to use it for something like a wardrobe. So I'm going to use annotate to do that. So I will say, so thin lines, okay. So just select the rectangle. Rectangle should be what you select. So you will be able to monitor the dimension 1/4 by so which is okay. You can extend this one to 500. It's your choice. So just put it in 5. So that's it. So this one now you have this wardrobe in place. You can cross it to make more details orientation. So good. So the same thing you have to do here. While you press this one to rotate to that level. So shift this back a bit. Then you select this one. Then you bring your small chair, small table. So it's just a way of bringing a little bit of details to it. So it depends on who is using it. So here you can hang your TV on the wall. So you call it wall TV. So it depends on you. So people stay down here and watch whatever they want to watch. That is for the room. So that room is detailed enough. So now the next is this particular one. So how do you do it? You bring the same thing you have done here, bring it to this side because there's bedroom. So whenever they leave, they should be able to do whatever they want to do in their privacy. So as you have this one here now, so this one will give you that you can just like have it in 2 places. So 2 people can sit down and talk. So basically this one may be for some family members in the house. So I'm going to just select and just pick a design table. So this one is saying seaside. So I'm going to leave that seaside to do what I need to do. And So I prefer this. So I'm going to leave this one like that. So you see that the details are coming out by this one. So the next component I'm going to work on is this, and I will go to the WC where I need to be here. So the next place the WC will be is this particular place. So the next part is this one. So let it be always be aligned with the window position. So 3 bed has been done there. So the next you need to bring into space is the water shower. So it depends on whoever that is occupied that house. So it's your choice. So you may look like you don't want this shower, then you want something like jacuzzi. Depends. So, but for now, what I'm doing here is that the orientation be around it. So click here and bring the same thing here. So the next one you need to bring is the wash hand basin, which is this one. So I'm going to bring it here by selecting it. If it's too tiny, do not worry. Maybe it's that door that have issue. So you just like keep working on what is necessary. So you put the wash hand basin here. Same thing, we put wash hand basin. Okay. So the tidying of the place is coming up. So this one just need to adjust and put it here. This is where it's supposed to be. Yeah. So for this door, I'm going to bring it down a bit. Okay. So this is how the whole arrangement of this one will be. So I have this one in place. So I'm going to open that and align it to this. Okay. I think I'm done with this. So the next thing that the annotate aspect of this is I'm going to say annotate. So the same way, and then I will draw what I need to draw around here. So click finish. So select here and say 3 hash. So maintain that by using the same method of what you are doing. So here you change it, increase the opacity, then you change the pop color. Adjusting it and say okay. So that's it. So for this one, just stability it back a bit. So the chair aspect, you can copy this, does not matter. So if you are being licensed to do the interior, then you bring in a creative to do it. This is just I'm not doing. So I just have this one here, just a arena for a family good together. So since I have this one in place now, I'm going to do this one. I will call this one. This is the wardrobe closet for the main living. Now I've not done the annotate for everything here, so this now let me quickly do what I need to do. So what I need to do is that I will start by writing that for each and every one of them. So this is the master bedroom. This master room. Okay. This bedroom. So call it bedroom and call this one bedroom too. So it depends on whoever that chooses it. Maybe for mother, it may not be for anything. Just a bedroom and that's all. So that's settled. So this is what we call just call it lobby. So for the family lobby around here. So this is where they climb and they come here and they have themselves being rest upon. So this is balcony. You copy this. Sorry for the way the mouse is behaving. So just click and then call this one. So you call this balcony. And that's all. So go stay here and do whatever you want to do. So you can bring a flower first to this if you have anyone. So like this what I have. So save this for the project. Always remember to save your project no matter what the case may be. So component now. So I think I can go around. So some blanks that can be selected. I don't have anyone, so I don't have any. Okay, let me just use this. So you can place this one here. Like two. So you change the fact of that beauty. So go to 3D and see how far you have placed there and let it go. So you come here and see. So this is the flower pot you have placed. You can transfer this one in this two and say copy to pivot. From here now you say align to selected view at level one going positive. So it's not to be there. Can you see? So when you go back to the level one, what you do is just to arrange them. So when you go back here, so this is the level that we're using. This is not an edit level. So let's say level one. So what is the problem? It's not showing here. Despite the fact that that is okay. I don't know the issue. I don't know, but okay, I've hidden the category. Sorry. So you just need to bring out the category. Yeah, I see. So this is the category that you have already had. That's why it's not showing. So all you need to do is to come hide them. So it's just like when you have it now, it's on hide, it's there, but just this are showing. So what do you need to do if you have the same problem? Just select all instances in this view. Now you say hide the element. Only this one will retain this one for you. So hide the element. So it's only those one that left. So this one will retain the appearance at the level 1. So that is the 3D, and that is the how you tidy up the whole work. So we've tidied up the level 1, which is like this. Tidy up the level 2, like this. So in the next tutorial, we are going to teach what we can do to bring colors to this table, to do all this one. So the elevation, I think we are still okay with what we are doing. So the next time we focus on the elevation and beautify the whole thing generally. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.